In this video, I want to share with you how to make a bed used in planting ugu, and the video is starting right now. Today we are making ugu beds for planting of vegetables, especially ugu, water leaf, and probably bitter leaf and other few vegetables in the farm today. And today we are doing the beds. So I want to walk you through, and in order to do that I need to show you how it's done. With me here is Sonny. Sonny is an expert in doing this. If you come to anywhere close to Karu local government of Nasarawa state and ask who is the best guy in doing ugu, Sonny is the guy everybody mentions. So today I'm opportune to have Sonny here with me. Sonny, how far?
Fine.
So what are you doing now?
I used to form the bed.
Okay.
And then arrange it and till the inside so that the ground is soft. When you plant it,
okay,
the thing will grow well.
Okay, like what you've done here already.
Now, I don't arrange the bed now.
Okay, this one is complete now.
Yes. This one will just remain to plant.
You just remaining to plant in this one.
And when you plant something, it will grow well.
Okay.
Yes.
Some people prefer to make theirs very big, but we decided to make edges around there to separate them because the topography of the land is somehow slopey this way, and doing it this way, that means this first portion here with this edge, the water can be contained comfortably. Without this edge here, any water we put here, some of them might retain, but majority of them will flow down to the lowest point, which is over there. So what's the first thing that you do over here now? The first one you said is forming, right?
Yes.
You are still forming it now?
Yes, I'm still forming it.
Okay.
When I'm about to finish now.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, we started doing this. This is dry season actually. This is 1st of December 2022, and the ground is so dry and thick. So in order to do that, first thing we did was to spray water on the ground. We soaked the ground. Actually, someone is still soaking this area. Although here, this bed over here has been completed, but before we did it, we soaked it. And if you look closely, you see that it's soft now because we soaked it. Right now, he's forming the bed. What will be the difference between the forming and the arranging? No be the same thing.
It's all the same thing, but until they arrange the bed, all the tea, so that arrangement will make the work different.
Okay, the planting, when they don't plant the ugu?
Yes. Now that arrangement will make the bed deep, so that if they put water will stay inside.
Water go inside?
Yes. Yes, that's the difference.
Okay.
Then that tilling, I'm going to make the ugu grow.
Where?
Grow well, so that after they till that ground, plant it, the ground go there soft.
I mean, say if not like that, now tilling no be once now, they go to do it many times.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, no wahala. They already do.
That thing they make the ugu grow faster.
Okay.
Yes. If you join her with manure also, that manure will make her grow fast and good.
Okay.
Yes.
No be this one they call Bayankasa.
No. That Bayankasa. Now the one when like this round sides. If you go down.
Okay.
Then go see this around sand.
Okay, if the edges go down.
Yes.
Okay, they go from this side now where they need to use. Hip and back up.
Yes, then go hip and. That one is called
Bayankasa.
Yes.
That's back of sand.
Yes.
Okay.
Back of the bed.
Okay, back of the base.
Yes.
Okay.
That's the round side.
Okay. Come on, they learn this thing now. They learn this thing. We are done, guys.